How to share Walmart cart 2025. Ever wish someone else could review or add items to your Walmart cart? Most people don't realize this is possible, but here's how to do it the right way in 2025. Walmart doesn't offer a direct share cart, but like some apps, but there's a simple workaround that works reliably. First, sign into your Walmart account on the app or website. Add all the items you want into your cart. Next, go to your cart and select the option to save items as a list. This creates a shareable shopping list linked to your account. Once saved, open the list and tap the share option. You can now send the link via text, email, or messaging apps. Anyone with the link can view the items. Here's what most people get wrong. Others can't directly edit your cart unless they're logged into the same Walmart account. However, they can open the list to review items and suggest changes. Another option is account sharing within a household. If multiple people use the same Walmart login, they can all add or remove items from the cart in real time. You won't believe how useful this is for families, roommates, or shared grocery planning. The surprising truth is that Walmart prioritizes lists over shared carts for security reasons. In 2025, sharing a Walmart cart means sharing a list or account access. Once you know this trick, shopping together becomes much easier. Subscribe for more everyday app tips that save time.